The story of this simple machine part is truly mind-bending. Every complex machine relies on a fundamental component. Gears are everywhere, from watches to wind turbines. But how and when did these mechanical marvels first appear? Their surprising journey began millennia ago, long before factories existed. Ancient civilizations pioneered intricate designs for practical uses. Join us to uncover the hidden history of gears. Early humans needed to transmit force efficiently. Simple wooden gears likely appeared first for water mills. Evidence points to China and Hellenistic Greece. Chinese texts from 4th century BC describe gears. They powered ingenious water-lifting devices and astronomical instruments. These early forms were often crude, yet highly effective. This innovation marked a significant leap in technology. The brilliant Archimedes of Syracuse explored gear theory. Around 287–212 BC, he laid mathematical principles. His work on levers extended to rotational mechanics. He designed complex machines using intermeshing gears. These included war machines and water-raising screws. Archimedes conceptualized the efficiency of gear trains. His insights were foundational for future engineering. A truly astonishing discovery emerged from the sea. The Antikythera mechanism dates to 1st century BC. This ancient Greek device featured over 30 bronze gears. It meticulously tracked celestial movements and eclipses. Its complexity rivaled 18th century European clockwork. This artifact shattered previous notions of ancient technology. It proved advanced gearing existed far earlier than believed. After Rome, gear knowledge spread and evolved. Medieval Europe saw significant advancements in clockmaking. Gear trains became essential for accurate timekeeping. Gears of different sizes provided precise speed reduction. The Salisbury Cathedral clock from 1386 is a testament. It used iron gears, showcasing medieval mechanical skill. This era refined gear manufacturing techniques considerably. Leonardo da Vinci sketched numerous gear designs. His notebooks reveal helical, bevel, and worm gears. The Industrial Revolution then propelled gear development. Mass production demanded standardized, robust gears. Steam engines, factories, and vehicles all relied on them. Gears became the silent workhorses of modern industry. From ancient water mills to complex modern robotics, gears persist. Their journey reflects humanity's relentless ingenuity and progress. Understanding their origins reveals the deep roots of mechanical engineering. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.